Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Tuan Syamimi Hanani bin Tuan Zaid. I want to talk about my goal in my life. Since childhood, both my parents told me the importance of having my own goal in my life. I was thinking and confused at first because I didn't know what I want in my life. But when I am 8 years old, I strive to get excellent exam result. Each time when I got good grade, my parents were so happy and that made me more motivated to get a better result. Growing older, I realized that I need to set a goal in my life to earn a bright future. My goal for life firstly is I want to be a good daughter for both my parents. I feel that there are many shortcomings of myself that need to be changed, such as being more diligent in helping them, making them happy, and doing things they feel appreciate. These are the biggest goals in my life. Next, I want to achieve my ambition of becoming a successful architect. Although the process is not easy and requires a lot of knowledge, I must always be prepared in order to achieve my ambition. Sometimes, I feel less motivated because I get unsatisfactory results, but I realize the biggest goal in my life is to make my parents happy. It's a lie if I say that I never cry. Yes, I always cry, but it becomes a healing process for me to make myself better and release my sadness. Like people always say, cry if you are sad because it will make you calmer than hiding it. I also want to have a financial freedom. When I have a lot of money, I can buy anything I want, travel and treat others, especially my family. Not useless things, but things that can make them happy. Other than that, proper mindset and balance is one that I should have in my life. Our mindset need to be in proper balance. If we got too much or little knowledge, it can lead us to wrong direction. As we grow, we begin to learn who we are, our strength and weakness, so smart goal that we set can grow us in a positive way. Lastly, I want to have a peaceful and harmonious marriage and family. I hope to have a husband who appreciates and loves me like my father did to my mothers. That's all from me. Thank you.